Ladies and gentlemen, now you have it from the Vice President.
Kubagenyi baffe abatukyaliddeko olunaku olwaleero okuva mu Uganda Boxing Association, my big friends. So according to the program, I'll be inviting Coach Lawrence Kalyango. We have the chairperson of the area, club patron Asubiza Okubawa Boxing Club. We see the club patron. The club patron is there. So we shall be chairman to official open because that is the authority.
Mr. President, you are welcome in Uganda. Welcome to Cobpa Boxing Club. And secondly, I want to welcome everybody and everyone to be here. Feel at home. This is Cobpa Boxing Club, the home of boxing. Remember, boxing is a game. We are here because of boxing. So,
thank you very much, Mr. Kalyango. Let me welcome all the people of Rubia because we have seen the big challenge which I've seen, and moreover the guest of honor. You are most welcome. This is Rubia here because a talent they can promote you. You are here, generation, younger generation, to bring your talent, and moreover, the coach. So on my side, as a cabinet, I'm very happy what I've seen, and you are most welcome, sir. Security is very good,
and then we know, by His grace, we shall get there. Under the watch of our dear President Muhanji Moses, who has really done so much. And the young boys and girls you see here are the reason to male boxers. But it has been transformed, that is now a sport that is being done by even female boxers. And then, like I said, it is the societies where our boxers come from. But under the watch and then under the good prayer, the good governance or presidency of Muhanji Moses, boxing has moved to some level. he has really transformed boxing from a sport of wrongdoers to that we should host the president himself is an honor and a privilege to her. We thank you so much, and we hope whatever that we've been looking at as something impossible will come to pass. Uganda and Lubia Boxing Club together with the Cobpa wouldn't have come to pass. We thank you so much for the visit, and we think we are now at the right channel.
End of first round, and according to Coach Lawrence, tukira babasaba kumpira ofuna basari nasamba kwa mbuzi nanyi n'essomero yali ayitaawo n'anda taya n'agamba ono gwe ngenda naye.
So long as you want to read it.
Okay, Mohammed, after the fight, you do some, just 1 minute with the coach, then you come with next.
Ati ate ali wano.
Да. Я потом уже безусловно, я руки клоп. Получила, чтобы
Buyulise
Take a glove,
lwaki ng'okoteri akyaffe.
они любят
Just go to the
Украины, чтобы исправить.
So Mohammed, after demonstration, then we make speech. After speech, this is gloves we give out to the coach. Shake hand, picture, finish.
For our gift, we give you the first.
But of course we shall be having photo moments after this. Yeah, he's the vice president, but I can assure you I got this opportunity.
Anya patching. Neda sebo. Zino moment ya coach Rola. Ate sajingira muku. Neda sebo.
Akanyaba kusomesa oye Brenda. Yes. Kufunye coach nno munakubikako kati. Put your hand out.
Wow.
Have a very good punch. Okawulire mu lw'okulinda.
Manyo wete. Muri muto kyalina kati. Muri muto kyalina.
Okay, training iringa ya mwaka mulamba. Coach Kirola. Kyageraga nze natendekebwa muzungu. Tonzanyirako. Ebikonde bye birungi naye yeetaaga okubangulibwamuko engeri gyayingira egyafuluma mikono noyingira mu bikonde wenotandikira ku besikisi ng'okyali wansi eno n'omanya engeri y'okukolamu ebintu bino nga tonnagenda mu mpaka.
naye kyenzeko kuliga nti abadde mwangu mukono gwe tubeera tutali kukikozesa
Siawambuza.
awala kusanza
Mane. The coach,
He says you have too much speed, you're
coach
fast.
is saying that you had too much speed, and that is one thing that has Copton wants to implement here. We shall have. Where are the others?
This is African champion. This one.
It's fine, we have our
African game.
Those are what we have to poker.
So, bronze medalist, Yaoundé.
Professor is a bronze medalist, 2022, the Africa Boxing Championship. Buli muzanyi wa national team nga w'oliyita wano.
This one,
This is
yeah,
the
you take
biggest
picture.
man
This
around
one
here.
also get bronze in Yaoundé.
Yafuna bronze e Yaoundé, e Cameroon omwaka oguwedde. Ronnie Chimbugwe is one of the biggest brands we have in Champions League.
It's a very popular boxer in Uganda. TV love him so much. Yeah. Maybe you can have a fun.
Ofunye manager olowooza Ronnie omulala. Twali ku mayanja.
Ali mu bitiibwa.
Nicholas Bule, where is our coach? Nicholas Bule.
Former heavyweight champion.
Former professional.
And also coach.
We shall have a photo moment. We have a senior Arab Tusako Jab abasinga mwizo okuba temumanyi. Eri mu ringi tetubeera ng'emikola ya Champions League bigenda mu maaso yono. Very beautiful Nicole Apio. E Kampala nze mbamanyi, baana b'e Kampala temuloba.
One on one.
Omuomu.
Yeah. Mugende wali 1-1.
1-1.
Yeah, 1-1.
Addako. Ebikyatambula ne twabibala. The team captain Nakalema Emile si Elina. Ava Katwe. Oyo matobuuka ashanga siwulira kali akantu kaffe. Brolin Chimbugwe Mulangira. Nicole Onyweza. Club patron. He's a referee and judge.
Somebody telera nawe. Telera mulaini.
Ladies and gentlemen, okay. We are getting into the final wrap of our thing here.
Okay.
Nicola yagademo mwana namutegedde ana byabalo no munteke ndi mumpi
twagenze kufuna kifaananyi kochi kogundi oyo omusajja wa kono
yabadde ojoga
ring ez'okutyamu okukulaakulanya omuzannyo gwa boxing. So mukimanyi bulungi nnyo tubadde tulina ring almost emu mu ggwanga, so kale tufuna ring ey'okubiri kijja tuyamba. Ekyokubiri abantu bali gye bakoma okukyala mu ggwanga lyaffe n'okwongera okutegeera embeera gye tutambuliramu n'okulaba engeri gyasobola okukola ki okutuyamba, because kati ono atula ku executive y'ebikonde y'ensi yonna, ye vice president. Kati kino kyalabye wano bw'abeera mu meeting so omwanguyira okukola ki okyogerako ekitandibadde osinga takoze eki tazze, because bano babeera mu nsi zaabwe batuwadde ekirabo kya glove esayiningiddwako usiki yagisayinize ne bagitwetanga ekirabo usiki olumanyi heavyweight box agenda okuzanya ne Tyson Fury. This is it.
President yaga nti Whisky atwagala nnyo, ayagala kulaba ba heavyweights okuva wano. Tyson Fury yamutidde n'awezaalwa
yagisayinizeeko n'akituweereza ejjewa. So kino eno ojjukira Tyson Fury ali mupeewuma maybe the next few months will be the world champion here.
И книга, которая у нас в Украине, это все люди, которые вложили
And this, the story,
в развитие украинского бокса.
is all the champions in Ukraine. So many world championship, Olympics championship.
Kano akatabo kalimu ebyafaayo by'ebikonde mu ggwanga lya Ukraine. Bonna baafuna emidali mpaka z'ensi yonna mu Olympics. Ebyo byonna Lukasha gy'agenda okufuna emidali ne balyegesa biri muno.
This is from the beginning.
President bamuwadde omujoozi Klitschko omuzanyi w'ebikonde era naye heavy.
Klitschko kati ye meya wa Kiev yatwala ekibuga Kiev. Katono y'omu ku bantu ababeera naye ye lawyer we and all that era amutusindikidde naye akola eki yabeerewa. So kati kano
Wakiri akuwa akakadde tayinza kugikufumbirako. Twalabe
Asante sana na mimi pia.
ate nga yitotero eno kikubye olabe nabuyaye buno tebukkiriza. Yes.
Number one, Nambemu.
Tweyanziza tweyanzeege bwetyo bwe tutambudde. Erinnya lino ani yagakutta abiri? Ani yagakutta abiri muwe omutwalo? Ani yagakutta abiri? Ani yagakutta abiri amanya g'omukulu? Siyiiya banani?
Kaze